himself.
Me come for them.
Straight.
Yeah. Better know what's me living me around 10. Give me what I deserve, never do me long thing. Oh no one for know what's me I come for joke things. Come on for that nonsense, Mr. Monkey. Better know say I am an color nature drip all the way from my Volta region. Me day in a up in a radio. Me I go mash out the place. Yo, from a long time me day in a the king. Man, them I know some me but I'm the king. People them I lock up in a thing. Yo, bad man, what me sing say? Me no deal with a lick but me tell you man. Say me done and me tough and me Fred and no man. Me tell them me mind them say boy I stop but me Fred and none of them come know what me step on. Pandy back if me kill them, me kill them gun. In a the competition if them me make them flop. Ojiki tell them say me a the done. Anybody try me then fire go burn. Can you fit a camera? Me look about me tougher. Me ragga verbal punches them my face like a boxer. Then look boy a burning up, coming with a fire. A speed when me take can cool can't tell. Remember the legends are doing with a sense status. No little boy can fit me got a practice. A jag me this talent I'm still not practice. Call permanent. Hey yo, Surjikal Lord. Me I tell you right now. Any mad but me say don't wanna kill it. Boy should I know say you can never defeat me. Split in fire. You can't touch I am say try kill fire. Yo. From a long time, me a killing this thing from a long time, Yo, see we ripping them again, we killing them again. We come for them, we ripping them again. We come for them, we killing them again. Now right then, when me sing say, you can never compare your bike with a taxi. You're not free around this place, but I run peace.
Charlie, the way I see the thing right now, you make fire service that they won't come here because the studio won't catch fire. How are you able to pick up the patois?
Okay, I learned from a lot of people and I used to watch Jamaican movies too. Yeah, I used to learn from artists like Stoneboy Shatawale episode and Beanie Man, Vibes Cartel. Every Jamaican artist they learn from them.
You learn from them?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you have a mentor?
Yeah, I have a mentor.
Who is your mentor?
In Ghana, I have 3 mentors.
In Ghana?
Yeah.
Ghana alone?
Ghana alone.
Okay, then it's okay. Don't mention them.
Yeah.
If you have 3 there, it's okay. Hey, 3 mentors alone in Ghana?
Yeah.
Okay, so which of them do you hear from? Are you connected to?
No.
None of them?
No, yeah, I'm not connected.
Okay. How many tracks do you have so far for doing music for 1 year now? How many tracks do you have to your credit?
I have a lot of tracks, but I released 3.
Only 3 have been released so far.
Yeah.
So when I get on the all streaming platforms right now, I'm talking about Boomplay, AudioMax, Spotify, iTunes. Only 3 I'll find.
Yeah, only 3.
Okay.
I'll find.
Okay. Are you preparing for EP or album?
Not yet, but soon.
Soon,
not yet,
but not yet.
Yeah.
So you are currently promoting singles after singles after singles.
Yeah, singles after singles.
Do you have a management team?
Yeah, I have a management team.
You have a manager?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Big him up right now before we continue.
Okay, big up on yourself, man. Like Godwin, the CEO himself of K.M.G Records.
Okay.
A big shout out to you. Bless up.
Straight.
And don't forget, we're
Straight.
gripping them again.
You know, see. How does it feel like to be managed by a team, picking you raw talents like that, taking you to studio, clothing you, making sure you look good, putting you on shows and events like that? How does it feel?
Oh wow, I feel good.
Do you know most of you start that way, and when you get to the peak, then they want to shun the management? They want to mess up.
Nature Drip is not like that.
Have you signed any legal documents, any paperwork, or was just verbal?
No, we got paperwork.
You got paperwork done.
Yeah.
So your parents know that when you're going for a show,
yeah, my parents
management is in charge.
Yeah.
If you should travel to London today right now, management is in charge. Your mother will be rest assured and comfortable that hey, it's in the hand of a good person.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you still in school?
Yeah, I'm still in school.
How do you hope to achieve the dream of becoming a superstar when you're still in school?
Oh, I believe in myself and I know what I'm capable of doing. So Charlie, the world should get ready for Nature Drip, and very soon they're gonna see me dripping them again.
Which A-list artist would you like to call?
Yeah, because
why make her blue? Why make her blue?
It's because the things that I've been going through, Charlie, it's very tough for a young boy like me to be going through difficult things like that. Yeah. Okay. So I'm telling God that Charlie, if I let the small boy blow, because family are waiting.
Okay. So this one is a special prayer to your God.
Yeah, it's a prayer, special prayer.
He should let you blow.
Blow, seriously.
Okay. So
They
listeners,
said that we should ask.
and it shall be given.
Yeah.
So
I'm asking God.
Straight up. I love the vibe. I love the vibe. I love the vibe. I love the vibe. All the way from the top right now. Make Up Blow is the title of this one. Coming from Nature Drip.
We're dripping them again.
He said he's dripping them again. I was asking you the name of why the name Nature Drip?
Okay, the name is giving me by my management.
Management give you that name?
Yeah.
Nature,
because my music is from nature.
Okay.
And like, let's take it like this. You are sick right now. There's no need for you to go and buy medicine or go to hospital. No. When you just hear the vibe, no, you just hear the boy voice, no, Charlie, you'll be drip. There's no need for you to get any drip in hospital.
Okay, now I see that now. So nature.
Yeah, nature drip.
And as long as they are sick and they hear your vibe, no, they go drip.
Yeah, that means
the drip they go give in the hospital. They go get up on the music inside.
Yeah, that means that the drip is from nature.
All the way from the top. This man, no darling. All the way from the top, listeners. Man, a very big shout going out to you, Cafe Ryan happens to be a director when it comes to video content and all that. Link up this guy and you're sorted when it comes to movie, video, and everything. So Cafe director on Facebook, social media handle everywhere. Big up yourself, big man. And then so all the way from the top right now, let me take it again. Make Up Blow is the title of this one. Soak it yourself and analyze it to yourself. The guy is in the building. Yeah, Nature Drip. Let's go.
It's Hype the Mic Show, yo.
Prove them wrong.
Featuring Lega Baby.
Okay, who's Lega? Is he also in Vota? Is he also
in
Vota has got artists, so Vota get artists, so
Charlie.
So that's it right there. That's it right now. First time airplay. Prove them wrong. All the way from the top. Let's go.
It's Hype the Mic Show, yo. Making no flop. Backballa is your boy mustache. Tell him.
Cut off the lines of a fake ones. Make a move. Stand up and give them what they say you can never do. You can never do, my guy. They always pretend to be your G's, but in other heart, them not a real. They are there with you always just to kill your vim. They say that you can never do it, you can never win it. They won't make you lose it, they just won't pull you down. Beat up your chest, tell them this, make them get ready to see your victory. Brother, pull make you prove the wrong. We have to prove the wrong. They say that you can never do it, you can never win it. They won't make you lose it, they just won't pull you down. Beat up your chest, tell them this, make them get ready to see your victory. Brother, pull make you prove the wrong. We have to prove the wrong. You have to prove the wrong. You got to believe me. One small positive thought in the morning, change everything in the evening. Just believe on your rolling dice. Trusting the process, bro, keep on the try. Don't fall on darkness, but there will be light. Hey brother, this nigga is saying lawyer. They don't wanna see you make it, but they wanna see you fail it. You be my so stand firm and prove them wrong. Make them know they can never pull you down. Bro, beat up your chest, tell them days. Make everybody sit and get ready to see how Jehovah go elevate you. They say that you can
Inja finger, Agbama, Nekpan. Straight up, let's go all the way from the top. All the way from the top. You know how we do it. You're gonna love it, yeah.
on K.M.G records. We have to bring it from the team.
Hey yo, DJ Surjikal Lord. Your mix is too bad, you know. Whitey Soldier says so, lock it down.
You are on it right now, we just Yabia on your biamala. Don't know Tony and Blanu Killama. Yabia on your biamala. I'm a dana the Gomanana Massama. Yabia on your biamala. I turn a blaton and you are no killama. Yabia on your biamala. I'm a dana the Gomanana Massama. Why you choose to be fake, bro? What you get when you prefer me downfall? What be your feeling when you see me feel it? What be your feeling when you see me make it? Loving a brother man with a face man like Bamana Pa.
Surjikal Lord.
I turn a blood not to when you are the Bamana Pa. Pretending like you love is a fake like Bamana Pa. I turn a blood not to when you are the Bamana Pa.
Jesus!
Oh no, if you make it stop. Bad character make it drop. No, now we I go big it up. See bad mind I go flop. Like an amlonyesa afondi kanya. Batman we full up your belly. Now you want my yungo unshamuna fanya. That be why you wake up so early. You can't cause a chit do vatrozutanya. See how you they spread them for selling.
That's what it is. So with that much I do much I say, this is what we bring down today's curtains. Also, it's a day for everybody here in the studios of Opinion Radio. Management is here. Yes, I would like to get a word or two from the manager. Yes, word or two from the manager. What the manager did? Manager, adjust the microphone to yourself. Wear your headset and then let's vibe small. Just 2 questions now, and then we stand up. Can you hear? Can you hear us inside the headphone? Okay. All right. So, Chairman, manager, before we ask of your name, thank you so much for good work you are doing. Discovering artists like this is not be easy. Yeah, and then all the investments we are doing, I would say big up. Keep doing it. There's going to be a result. Yeah. So, how far do you want him to reach? Because money, brain, calculation, transport, up and down movement, freeway, all day inside. How long are you going to keep doing that till he blows? How far do you want him to reach?
I would say nature dream is well talented and I really trust in him.
Okay.
So I'm not even thinking of 5 years ahead. No. Less than 5 years. To be honest with you, he's a worldwide artist.
Yeah, worldwide artist. I like that vibe. I like that vibe. So, which other major artists are you hoping to collaborate with? Yeah, put him on board with. Since your management.
That one, I may say it will be under the management control.
Okay.
You have a lot of artists on board that we are planning on to feature someday. So we have a lot of work coming up.
Okay.
A lot of work coming up.
Wow. How much does it take to put him on the show? Somebody want to have him on the show to come and maybe perform or do something. How much does it take?
Once you contact, you usually get to know.
All right. So how did you contact management? Now drop your details there. How did you contact management?
K.M.G Records OVB is over all social media platforms and our emails are under all our handles and
K.M.G Records. On social media handle everywhere they there.
Everywhere.
Email to the same thing. K.M.G Records.
Everywhere.
Okay. So your last words to his fans and your fans also, because as a manager, this is your product. So the fans are also your fans. So your last words to them before you walk out of the studio.
Yo, my people. Please, I would say Nature Drip, he's so talented, and as for me myself, I like him so much, and I know he will do well and he will do better. So please keep streaming our song.